the days are far behind us. And if you had a great score on your SAT, ACT, or another equal standardized test, if you had a great score on these back in the older days, then it was practically a passport right into an outstanding university or college. But not anymore. Because many great colleges and universities out there have made these standardized tests either optional or have completely eliminated them. Because these colleges and universities realized that the value of a person overall is so much more important than a single grade on a single test. And this is where non-academics perspective building workshop second Y comes in. In addition to democratizing entrepreneurship, non-academics perspective building workshop second Y is there to help establish you as a thought leader. In addition to having an online meaningful portfolio with your playlist and all of your different perspective building workshop videos, in your senior year of high school, you can also publish a book called My Thought Diary. And in here has all of the unique thoughts you have ever thought of. And this book can be valued as much as a bestseller could be as well. Your non-academics second Y, the thought diary, can be your portal into creating a stellar college or university application. And if this doesn't help you stand out of the crowd, I'm not too sure what else will.